Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best budget greenhouses in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Home Complete Walk-in Greenhouse. First on our list is Home Complete's Walk in the Greenhouse. If you are looking for a versatile greenhouse suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, then you definitely need to consider this. The reason that Home Complete's walk-in greenhouse finds a place on our list is because of its large divided storage space and versatile usage. This greenhouse features 8 sturdy shelves that you can use to place your trays, pots, and planters. Furthermore, this greenhouse offers a large space with dimensions of 56 x 56.3 by 76.7 inches, allowing you to grow more greenery. The PVC cover creates an ideal growing environment by protecting the seedlings from frosts, pests, and other environmental agents. The greenhouse is easy to assemble by the rods. There are also ropes and anchors to provide stability. The shelves come with zip ties to ensure they won't tip over. Pros: versatile option. Large area with shelves. Good protection. Cons: no warranty. No tiers. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nova Microdermabrasion Mini Walk-in Greenhouse. Nova Microdermabrasion is a popular brand that sells a wide range of products including patio and garden maintenance products for home gardening enthusiasts. Nova Microdermabrasion's greenhouse is constructed using a durable metal frame with powder coating to prevent rust and corrosion. The bearing net on each layer can hold more pots and seed trays. Besides, the PE cover with waterproof feature protects seedlings from frost, pests, and other natural agents. On top of this, the greenhouse also comes with UV protection for an ideal growing environment. Coming to the storage space, the greenhouse measures 57 by 57 by 77 inches, which is large enough for growing a home garden. The space is divided between 8 shelves to create room for herbs, vegetables, flowers, and plants. Even though it is large in size, the assembly is simple without the need to use any tools. The greenhouse features a user-friendly design with ropes and anchors for secure assembly and stability. The walk-in style allows you to enjoy the beauty of your garden as well as easy access to water and feed the plants. There is a roll-up door with zip for better ventilation. Number 3. Our third best pick is Gardman Mini Greenhouse. Gardman is one of the most popular brands of garden products out there that makes all sorts of products, including greenhouses, that generally have a high user rating because of the various features that you get. The Gardman R687 Mini Greenhouse is present in the 3rd place in this article as it has a high user rating. This is simply due to the reason that you get a lot of things for the given size and form factor. It has dimensions of 27-inch x 18-inch x 63-inch that makes it quite compact. But even then, you get a total of 4 tiers inside it that offers a lot of space for multiple plants and vegetation. Since you get a tubular steel frame that is highly sturdy along with a clear polyethylene cover, its build quality is quite great. Unfortunately, it does not come with any warranty, which can be an issue for a lot of users out there. A great thing about the transparent cover is that it allows you to see inside quite easily while being easy to open using a zipper. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ohuhu Outdoor Greenhouse. Those of you who want to grow a lot of plants should consider Ohuhu as most of its products offer a large size that is ideal for heavy-duty usage. Ohuhu's greenhouse is present in the 4th position as it is one of the most affordable large-sized options out there. As per its name, it allows the person to walk inside the greenhouse for easily checking your plantations. It allows you to do this because of the given dimensions of 4.9 feet x 4.7 feet x 6.4 feet that are quite high. As for the storage space, it comes with a total of 3 tiers and 12 large shelves that can be used to store a lot of plants on both sides. Despite being this big, the whole assembly process of this greenhouse is quite simple and straightforward so that you can easily set it up in your backyard. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Eagle Peak Portable Walk-in Greenhouse. Eagle Peak specializes in developing canopies and greenhouses with innovative and easy setup designs. The brand has an in-house product testing and analysis team to ensure its products exceed industry design and construction standards. Eagle Peak's walk-in greenhouse is one of the highly rated greenhouses on Amazon. Like all other products of the brand, this greenhouse features an easy setup technology. The greenhouse comes with a pre-assembled frame so that you can start using it right out of the package. The pre-assembled has multi-piece frames and allows for maximum portability. The greenhouse measures 94.49 by 70.87 by 91.73 inches for a spacious home garden. It comes with 3 height-adjustable legs that give extra headroom. For accessing the garden, there are 2 zippered walls on either side of the greenhouse. The greenhouse features a sturdy construction with steel frames and a steel ceiling to provide the ideal growing environment. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.